day of Christmas, my true love sent to me a partridge in a pear tree.
Merry Christmas from Quilts Plus in July! Hi everybody, I'm Julie.
I'm Kathy.
And I'm Amber.
And on the first day of Christmas,
my true love gave to me
some really fun things from Quilts Plus. Hi, I want to introduce you to the quilt pattern Moon Dance. Back in September, my husband and I got our new furniture. We'd waited 6 months for it, and it looked beautiful in the room, but the room needed color. So I'd always loved this pattern. One of our customers, Louise Perkins, ordered it, and I saw it and I thought, oh, I wish my room would take that. But at the time, my room was painted red. But when the new furniture came, new paint came. And with that, I thought, perfect time to do this quilt. So I picked out my colors. I went with, because my room is taupe, I went with a more warm tone than the white with this. I made it using the So Wonderful Curve mini ruler. Now this ruler, a lot of you already own. It's a great ruler for doing a lot of the miniature quilts, but this one is used to make a big quilt. When you're looking at it on the wall, you may say, big quilt, that's not a big quilt. Well, it is a big quilt. It's 64 by 80 in its original size. When I finish talking, I'm going to show you pictures of the quilt on my wall and why I had to split it in half and flip it around sideways. It was a great quilt to have to be able to change like that. A lot of them you can't. But this one, I just finished the edges off and was able to make 2 quilts out of it. That's why we have one hanging at the store. Now we have this kitted up for you, just like is on the front of the pattern, done in the teals and purples and pinks, which are the same colors I picked for mine. The kit is normally $230, but today and today only, it is $195. That is a great value for this kit. And I want to tell you something else. We've been promising that classes are going to start soon. Well, they are. This is going to be our first class, and it's going to start in September. Stay tuned for more news on that. As you can see by the picture, it totally dominated the wall in the living room.
I'm going to show you a retractable lint roller complete with refills. Let me show you what it looks like and why you need one. Typically, it's $15 for a lint roller, and that has 30 sheets in it. Then you get these 2 refills for another $60 for $15. I'm going to show you how this works. This twists, and it has a piece of tape here. You take that off, and then the sticky stuff is on there. So you can roll this or roll your quilt. When you're done, you would just simply roll that back down, and you're ready to go with it. Nice to tuck it down in with it, whatever you're taking, like to a class or at home, or putting it in a drawer. But it all comes together with the lint roller and the 2 refills. Again, it's $15. Now today, and today only, it is $12.75. So don't miss out on these. We have quite a few in stock. We like them, so we want to make sure you got one too. So again, they are $12.75 versus $15 for today and today only.
Hi guys, we have a beautiful panel here at Quilts Plus. It's by Nancy Halvorsen, and it is called Homegrown. This panel is absolutely lovely for this time of year. The season of it, the bees is here, as you can see, with the honeycombs and the bees and the flowers. And we have these lovely, lovely bouquet of flowers with a heart. As you can kind of see, it says, love more, worry less. The bees say, work hard, have courage, and be kind. Isn't that lovely? This panel can be cut up into pillows. It can be cut up to make another quilt out of, or you can use it as a one panel and you can put borders around it. The very front of this says, shine brightly, give freely, love truly, create joyfully, speak kindly, live thankfully. Absolutely beautiful. Then over here we have these birds that says our nest is best. I love that. And then I'm going to show you that final panel here, and it says, if you want to change the world, go home and love your family. Isn't that beautiful? This is one of the panels that we have from Nancy Halvorsen. It's called Homegrown. We've also brought out some coordinating fabrics that go beautifully with this. So if you want to use these as sashing in between, or if you want to use them as inner and outer borders, even if you want to create some fun pinwheel blocks or something like that to put throughout this, you sure can. We have additional fabrics that are in this line that would go beautifully. And what we're gonna do today, and today only, is the panel is normally $8 and I believe $8.60. We have it for $7.31, which is an excellent price point. And then all of the coordinates that go with this, all of the homegrown line for Nancy Halvorsen, we are taking 15% off all those bolts. So we want to be able to include those in the today's special for you. So those are going to be $10 and I believe it says 30 cents, $10.30 for these bolts. So these are special just for you to go along with this. Now we have a limited number of panels. I believe we have 4. So this is what we have available, and once they're gone, they're gone. So you need to call in the morning so that you can get this panel. You may even want more than one. So give us a call at 269-383-1790 to take advantage of this opportunity here with the specials that we've presented today. And remember, it's only today. So you guys need to call in. It's the 12th of July. We want to hear from you. We're here from 10 until 5 on Monday. So we look forward to hearing from you all. Take care. Happy Christmas in July from Quilts Plus. We are celebrating 12 days of Christmas with you, and included in those 12 days, we wanted to tell you a little secret. Not only do we have Christmas gifts for you with the specials, but we're also featuring all of the Christmas fabrics cut from bolts, half-yard minimums at 15% off. So now's the time to grab them. That is going to be included for the entire time that we're doing the 12 days of Christmas. So come on in, grab your Christmas fabrics. I know many of you are getting ready to work on projects in the fall, so now's a perfect time to grab your Christmas fabrics, and we have many bolts coming in. So there are some that are featured here, then we have more up front in the store. So you're not limited to one section of the store. We have quite a few opportunities for you to take advantage of this sale. So come enjoy your 15% off.